Are there any known solutions to this issue, or do I need to get a replacement unit?
If you're experiencing issues with your device and wondering whether there are any known solutions or if you need to get a replacement unit, this video will guide you through some common troubleshooting steps and potential fixes.
What are the symptoms of the issue?
Identify the specific problems you're facing. Write down error messages or any unusual behavior. Take note of when the issue occurs, e.g., during startup, while using a specific feature, etc.
Have you tried basic troubleshooting steps?
Restart the device, check for software updates, disconnect and reconnect peripherals, perform a factory reset, if applicable.
Is the issue hardware related?
Inspect for any visible damage, e.g., cracks, broken parts. Listen for unusual sounds, e.g., clicking, grinding. If you suspect a hardware issue, contact the manufacturer or an authorized repair center.
Are there any known solutions for this issue?
Research the problem online using the device's make, model, and specific issue. Check the manufacturer's support forums or user groups for similar issues and possible solutions. Try suggested fixes at your own risk. Some solutions may void your warranty or cause further damage.
When should you consider a replacement unit?
If the device is still under warranty and none of the troubleshooting steps have worked, contact the manufacturer for a replacement. If the cost of repair is more than the value of the device, consider purchasing a new unit. If you've exhausted all troubleshooting options and the issue persists, a replacement unit may be necessary. Remember that troubleshooting can be a trial and error process. However, by following these steps and considering the potential solutions, you may be able to resolve the issue without needing a replacement unit. If all else fails, reach out to the manufacturer for further assistance.